COVID-19 pandemic. Good morning, my dearest teacher, Mr. Dang, and my lovely friend. My name is De Lorenza. I'm from Entrepreneurship Program. And on this wonderful occasion, I will be doing a speech by regarding the hot topic of the year that I'm very sure all of you experience the cause and the effect from the COVID-19 pandemic. Before beginning the speech, I want all of you know the some fact about this pandemic. Coronavirus is a new type of virus that has been found in humans since the outbreak occurred in Wuhan, China, December 2019. This virus was named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, coronavirus 2, and causes coronavirus disease 2019. Fun fact about it, Corona itself was a Spanish language that means crown. Because of its crown shape, surface, it was named coronavirus. The origin of the coronavirus itself still remain a mystery until now. Many experts say the origin of the virus could not be from China, even though China is the first country to report the presence of the virus to the World Health Organization (WHO), but that does not mean the virus originated from China, right? Moving on to Indonesia, this virus started spread in our country on 2 March 2020. When Indonesia government announced that two citizens of Indonesia were positive for COVID-19, that was the first case of COVID-19 happened in Indonesia, right? From the people that are infected, they indirectly infected others, right? Which resulting many people being positive. Even the worst case is died. So, as you all know, because of this pandemic, we start doing anything by online. I'm not talking about a city or a country, but this pandemic happened all around the world. The media, government, and people surround us have spread what can we do on this difficult time to stay healthy and uh, still perform our duties as a student and as a citizen. Uh, before jumping to the topic, I want to share my experience. Like when this virus started to spread in our country, I am not 100% sure about this virus because of what I believe that the virus cannot spread that fast. But when the governor asked us to stay in home of a long of period of time, I feel like, is this really happening or is only jokes or what? I don't know, but I think it can be that fast though. But honestly, I feel really bored because of what? By staying at home. Usually, almost every day I go out, but now I must stay at home at long, long period of time. And but by time goes by, I feel comfortable because I feel like I realize by staying at home, me and my family can be safe from the virus, and my skin could be whiter than before. So I feel, wow, thanks God, my skin could be whiter than before. And but um, that's it about my experience during this pandemic. And let's move into the important part. What should we do on this pandemic? The first one, we must pay attention on social distancing. I know everyone miss going out and meeting their friends, but by staying at home, we can minimize the changes of the spreading the virus. So I hope we can use this moment to be better and fight this virus by keeping ourselves healthy and others safe. I hope this pandemic can end soon. While waiting for the pandemic can end soon, let's not do anything that can make the situation worsen. But let's do various health protocol like wearing a mask when you go out and wash your hand more often when you go outside. Uh, I will end my speech by reminding everyone that the government has done so many things for us in this difficult time, so we must follow the rule and stay safe. And I hope also remember not to give up or lose hope in this difficult time because life goes on and let's live on. Thank you.